What's up guys, I'm Namman Bhasin. It's been a while since I've done one of these videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be picking up girls without talking. So a lot of guys keep asking you like, what's the right thing to say when you approach a girl? How about saying nothing at all?
You're asking me if you look good? You're asking me about myself? You're saying that I look good. Oh, thank you so much. My number.
Amisha, I can talk. You're just doing a video to show people that you can talk to pretty girls without even using words.
Yeah,
And it's
I
okay to
figured
do
that
that.
out.
You did? How come?
Yeah, because you did.
What did you tell? I didn't say anything though. Did I?
You did.
I didn't say anything. It looked like that's something because
That mom that shooting us, I don't know what's happening, but okay.
no anything. So yeah, we just like put it down video. Just like it's okay for in it.
Yeah.
Okay, awesome man. Nice meeting you again. I'll see you around Amisha and Arushi.
Hi. Thank you so much. Do you want my number? You want my number? Look, I can't give mine. I can give you my Instagram, sure. What? I don't think there's network, but that's my ID.
See you around. Yeah, we were actually doing a video. We're doing this now video where we like talk to pretty girls without saying anything. So just to prove a point, the guys think that, oh, what's the right thing to say? And I wanted to be like, you don't need to say anything.
Okay, sure.
Navisha, hi. We're just doing a video where we're actually not talking and we're trying to prove that you can get pretty girls' numbers without even saying a thing. But guys keep focusing on what to say and just trying to break that stereotype. So is it okay if you use that? Okay, thank you. I'll see you around. Bye.
I'm sorry, I don't remember. I don't remember him. Said hi, so I said hi.
Doing a video, so is it okay if you use that? It's just like you can talk to girls without even saying anything, kind of thing. You can talk to pretty girls.
See?
Right. But it
You
didn't
went
work.
like,
But it didn't work. Yeah.
hi.
It did work,
Should
but
I for me.
No, no, I don't do fake stuff. But anyway, thank you. Is it okay if you use that? Maybe might use that. Thank you. See you around.
It was a blooper for you then.
It was a blooper. We're shooting actually a video where we're talking to pretty girls without actually saying something.
Okay.
So we're just trying to prove a point that you don't have to have the right words to say.
Okay.
If you're just receptive, you can actually say nothing and like get a number or something. So is it okay if you use that?
Yeah.
It's for YouTube. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. See you. Bye.
Oh, hi, I'm Lavanya. Nice to meet you. Who's she? Hi, I'm Rizz. I'm sorry?
Pretty.
Oh,
Look pretty.
oh, thank you. That's so sweet of you to say. Okay. Here. Lavanya. Nice to meet you.
Lavanya, we're actually shooting this down video where we're like trying to talk to pretty girls without saying anything. Just to prove a point that it's okay to say nothing and then get their number because guys stress too much on what to say.
That's one of the reasons why I was kind of more inclined to do that, because otherwise I would have just been like, nah, I'm good.
Yeah, if I would have said too much, right? Because we fuck it up somewhere by talking also. We say
Always.
something wrong, right? That's always a thing.
Sure, if I accept stuff in you. Walking all the miles that I was meant to. Sometimes I wonder if you'll ever let me know about your dreams and all the secrets that you hold.